Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's another unboxing, but this time it's a makeup. And it's from a trusted brand as well. I hope you don't get tired of me showing you what I got from them, because this is my way of saying thank you to the brand and appreciating every single one of you who still watches me since day one. Woo! This is from Pop Beauty. I was sending DMs to a lot of my friends on Instagram because they posted theirs like 2 weeks ago, last week, and I just got mine yesterday. I thought I'm not gonna get it. I'm just super sad. But when it came yesterday, I was, oh my god, so happy. So thank you so much, Pop Beauty, for sending me my PR. You can visit them at pop_beauty on Instagram. On Facebook, it's Pop Beauty Official. On Snapchat, it's Pop Beauty. And then hashtag Pop Beauty. Lock it and pop it. It says pop with makeup magnet mist. Use to intensify the color of the light show eye palette and prismatic pop powder by misting your eyeshadow brush with makeup magnet mist. When you finish your makeup, mist all over and lock in your look. That is interesting. So it's like a spray where it's like you lock it. So no hulas. This the box looks like. I'm super excited. I'm obsessed with the color. Okay, let's start with the mist that they're talking about. Makeup magnet mist. This finishing mist works like a magnet to lock in makeup for a no budget effect. It also deeply hydrates, protect, and energizes. And next is the, let's see. Ooh. It says here, prismatic pop, highlight and glow, enhancing your favorite features and make your skin pop with prismatic perfection. Let's try it. It's a highlighter. The packaging is nice. It's like, will you marry me? Nice. I don't know. There you go. And then lastly, oh my god, this is my favorite part. It's the Light Show Eye Palette. Create instant dazzling effect with this multi-textured shades. This is the one that I'm super excited about. I'm all over the place. I have a headache. I just had a coffee and I feel like I'm dehydrated, but I just drink a lot of water. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired with this light. Starting to give me a headache. And this is my first video for today. That's why I'm so happy. I just hope I don't break it. Oh my gosh, look at the texture. Yee! I like it. Thank you so much, Pop Beauty. Oh my gosh. This will go to my bag right now, like my makeup bag that always, you know, full of my essential, because I always, right now, after this, I'm going to my Habibi's place and we will be staying there for a week or two, so I always have my makeup bag ready. So this will be super useful because it's nice colors. I'm excited. But yeah, thank you again for watching. That's it for this video. I'll just do a separate video using them. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And thank you, Pop Beauty, for supporting me as well. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And follow me on Instagram. It's Christine_Mireni, and their Instagram, pop_beauty. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!